Hi guys, Brendan from TAT. I've just got a quick repair solution to share with you today. So we've got this Volvo S40 here. They're the 2.5, 2.4, can't remember, sorry, petrol, naturally aspirated engine. And it's come in because it's got a check engine light, so we've got a lean condition code there with it. Looking at the data, so I can see that when you give it some throttle, the fuel trims will actually level out. So they'll go closer to zero, look quite good. Whereas when you're at idle, we get high positive trims. So our short term and our long term go quite positive when we're closer to idle. The dead giveaway is you get this quite distinctive squealing noise that happens down near idle as well. So we're already thinking vacuum leak from the data, but when you hear that sort of noise, it really puts you in that direction. Really quick and simple thing with these, so you just take the oil cap off and you'll feel there's a massive amount of vacuum in the crankcase and the squeal goes away. So the problem is with the positive crankcase ventilation system, quite a similar setup to what they run on a lot of VWs, where they'll have this diaphragm assembly. So in this instance, it's part of the housing that's on the front of the engine with the oil filter. But there's a diaphragm in here. If you were to smoke test it, you'd see that it's ruptured and you're hearing the vacuum trying to suck past that. So fairly simple one, but something that I'll add into the repair solutions, because if you don't work on many Volvos, it's very common and it's something that you may not have seen before. So get onto the website and check out those repair solutions. Also, you can just use the search tab. So something like this, I could get in, just go to search S40, Volvo, any terms like that, and a really quick and simple way to get to where you want to go. Thanks guys.